Huh? No. 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 Angry rooster.
Good. Look at the spurs on this guy.
They hurt. There he is.
Got some big old spurs on him. Look at that.
And they hurt.
He was, yep, they can cause a lot of trouble.
He was starting to beat up on his ladies too.
Get too rough with us and too rough with the hens.
Lavender Orpington. The idea was to have little baby lavender Orpingtons. We're done the 3-year-old.
Got a lot of feathers to get wet, doesn't he?
Gosh. Biggest bird we've, I'm not biggest, but not heaviest, but the oldest bird we've ever processed.
Maybe he'll make some good broth.
Those spurs, I mean, seriously. I usually use the feet.
Yeah, those spurs are
Still-
amazing.
Yeah.
Still not even wet. Part of it doesn't
No,
look
but
wet.
it's
Coming off though, isn't it?
That's cooking.
Well, hello, Festus.
He has no words.
No words.
No words.
He's done being rude to people and hens.
Yes, he is now going to be in the
Broth.
stew pot.